black when you come to my house looking like this. Someone asks you what's your favorite drink and you say red.
Go.
You know you're black when your camera person doesn't even do a good job.
If I just drop this,
I would kill you. She dropped it once.
I did. I said some good stuff last night.
You did.
What did I say? Oh, you know you're black when you're scared to go to sleep and dream because the last person who did got shot.
Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, man.
you know you're black when there's a car coming and you don't get out the street. Let's go.
You start.
That's actually true.
Get. Let's take the show.
No, stay right here. You'll go
Corwin, you're white, huh?
Oh, I feel blacker than you right now. This is a shame. Can I camera on you for a second so they can see how
No.
black it is?
No.
Oh, well, we'll just flash a picture of you.
This is what happens when you don't have money to hire.
I am blacker than this girl.
This is what happens when you don't have money to hire a real camera person. Oh no, you don't have a real camera person.
Oh, we do. You know you're black.
Moment of silence.
You know you're white when you have nothing
You know
to
you're
say.
black when during the pledge you don't even stand up.
Boo. And wrong answer. Try again.
Proud, huh? How do you? When do you know you're black?
Never mind.
What? You know you're black when your favorite fruit is watermelon.
Oh.
That's true. We love some watermelon.
This is
You
like
only
SpongeBob when he was
apple
making those
watermelon.
squirrel jokes.
No offense. I'm black too.
Really?
She's still questionable. You know, that's life.
Did you know? Did you guys know? Just a random fact here. Me and Stevie haven't gotten in a fight since 4th, 5th grade. 4th, 5th, 6th, maybe 7th.
3rd, 4th, 4th, 4th,
Fourth?
5th.
4th.
We got
Fourth.
it.
Oh wait, this is not about me.
Oh, that was our last fight. We haven't gotten in a fight since 4th grade. We're in 9th grade.
But I mean, we have known each other our whole life. Since we're cousins.
Yeah. But like, we still haven't gotten in a fight in 5 years. That
You know
is
you
pretty
black
tight.
when everyone is your cousin. And everyone is related to you. That's when you know you black.
You know you black when you leave your garage open looking like that.
Do Am I zooming in? I can't see if I'm zooming in or not. I think I was. Y'all see that? That's just nasty. We know you moving and all, but
For real, at least close the garage.
That's how you know you black. You know you black when you have a Santa Claus and you color him in black. I did that one year.
Oh gosh.
You know you black when you give away used Christmas presents. Shit.
Ashley.
You know you ugly when you stand next to Ashley and the guy asks for her number.
That was not funny. That was a good one though, but not for me.
You're not a part of Pop Tarts. For real, okay?
Oh.
Mailman! Let's ask if we can interview him!
Stop the video. Are you bow-legged or what?
You
Your
know-
legs look like parentheses.